I'm Molly and I'm here in the fabrication shop with Clinton and one of our technicians. Now we've not been in here for a little while, so what have you got going on at the moment?
At the very moment, I'm rebuilding a spare wheel carrier for a DB2 drop head.
Nice.
Of course, we've got the XK 120 as well, and also the other Aston Martin on the ramp.
Amazing. So you're doing the wheel case now.
Yes.
And what's happening with the XK 120?
Well, that's a bit of a long-term project. So I usually work on it on a Friday at the weekend, so I'm not always on it all the time.
Yeah.
But at the moment, we're waiting for the wheels to come back. But I've started to make the body panels.
Ooh.
So it started with the tricky bits and then work forward with the easy stuff. So yeah, that's about where that is at the moment.
Amazing. So it's obviously got a different shape to a normal XK 120.
Yes.
So is that making your job harder, or is it just more interesting?
We're tight for room. So, but we can squeeze 2 people in there. So yeah, that'll be all right.
Good. Fantastic. So will we move over to what's happening with the Aston?
Oh yes. Yeah. So this has come in for a sort of a total rebuild. We're just sorting the bits out. The bodywork, the actual panels are not too bad apart from the front, which as you can see has got some holes and some wobbly bits that need sorting out. So that's basically what we're going through on this. Greg, who's doing the job, isn't here at the moment. So yeah, but this is his job and he's going through little patches of rust, sorting them out. So yeah, so that's basically what I'm doing with this. It's just being, you know,
getting all of the bits of rot, making them...
Yeah, get the rotten bits out.
Yeah.
Then we'll get on with the body, trying to sort this all out. The rest of it's pretty good, to be honest.
Brilliant. Amazing. So that's carrying on for that. Then we've got, obviously, the wheel and the XK 120. Is there anything else that's in the running?
Not as far as I know.
No?
No, apart from other jobs that suddenly turn up from the workshop.
Yeah. So
broken or missing or whatever.
When you come to a car like this and you go, oh, we think it's in quite good nick, and then you slowly take layers off and see what's happening with it, is there any times where you've done it and it's gone, oh my gosh, it's actually way, way worse than what we expected?
Yeah, once you start it's like a big onion. Once you start peeling the skins off, you get to the bit, and it just works. A car this age will have damage and it will have rust. It cannot, you know, it's got to happen. Yeah.
And do you find it normally that you can just repair the areas, or do you have to make whole new panels most of the time?
If we can buy a panel, we'll buy it because it's usually cheaper.
Right.
But if they don't make it, you just have to make it.
For you, is that quite exciting to know that you've made one bit completely by hand? Do you feel quite proud of that?
Oh yeah, it's a challenge. Yeah, it's always a challenge. Yeah. And if you can do that, yeah, it's really good. Amazing.
Well, thank you so much for this workshop tour. A bit different here in our fabrication shop. We're normally in the main workshops, but we thought
somewhere nice and clean.
Yeah. We thought we'd show you what's going on here with Clinton today. But thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications.